just show you something. Yeah. Okay. This one. Yeah. Let me just show you. What is that? Mm, the link. Okay. Let me just send you the link. How I am doing things. दोस्तों बड़ा एक मजेदार किस्सा बताता हूँ आपको मैं कॉल It's very interesting, I'm going to trade on live. Yeah, this one has been one of the. Let me share you the link. Yeah. And this one is my, the channel. Yeah. तो आहे बिटकॉइन लाइव ट्रेडिंग की बॉल है I will need one good mic and everything. Yeah. Can you see the link that I sent you? Yeah. Yeah. I got it. Yeah. Actually, right now we are. I'm doing live trading. What I plan is that I'll increase my YouTube subscriber from different friends. And I will do promotions from there also. Actually, I don't have huge subscriber right now, but later on, I think I expect more subscribers to come up, and I would, I would, uh, I would let some of my local YouTubers to advertise, my YouTube channel, and I'll try to increase my YouTube channel to at least around 50,000 subscribers, something like that. So that we can, the business can go on smoothly, because now I'm going to explain what are these those live live trading. Everything should be practical. It should be seen by those who are interested, this business. Everything very because this one is a competition account and this and that, all those, yeah. I think you should buy one. You should we should open your one of your trading account in FTMO, and let's start with 2,000 US dollars, 2 lakh US dollar account today. 2 lakh, yeah, 20,000, not 20,000, 2,000, yeah. I like that idea. Why don't we do it like this week? Yeah, why not? I'm gonna set it up and see. Yeah, I mean, I like that. I think FTMO is good. Yeah. FTMO is good. I think it's not a very difficult one also in FTMO, Actually, to pass the challenge, we need a proper certificate. So, if we do properly, then we can even pass our challenge in 10 days. Minimum trading days is 10 days, Within 10 days also we can pass, and another 10 days we can go to the next step, and from the next month, then we can start earning from 2 lakh US dollar account. That is because right now the market is very good, the market, the market, the market right now is in a downtrend, especially gold. It is trading in a downtrend. Last time I already told my friend that this is a good buying zone. If you want to buy gold, you should buy from this zone. And if you take the profit here around this area, this red line, 1708. Now, until and unless gold breaks down this 1708 area, this red line, uh, gold will go up, Then it's up to this good saving zone. I have already given a good saving zone. And if this breaks, then we have to look another good saving zone here. This one is good saving zone, and this one is minor support area right now. You can see minor support area. And this one, this area will be a good saving zone. If it retraces also, I think this area, another area, this area, yeah, this one, 24 times will be a good saving zone. That's amazing. Yeah, why don't I set it up this week? Ah. It's not a very difficult one. They will say okay, they will ask what do you want to buy, something like that. And what is it? You need to open one trading account with FTMO. That's all. And after that you can, this one is very good. You can do good one for this one. I thought that you will show me your what is that American what is that account, and you are excited. Well, I haven't been trading lately, so I can handle your account. No? Where will we actually the knowledge of this matter is so important. It's very important. Yeah. Something I should look at. Well, I'll tell you what. Yeah. This week we should be talking this week. We get things started. Mm-hmm. What? Why won't let's yeah let's start with FTMO. What do you say? 2002 2 lakh US dollar account, and we will proceed slowly, and you can see everything through with your phone also, no problem, because they will give you all the details, at least the highest one, 2 lakh US dollar account. I think that will do that. 2 lakh US dollar account, I think, yeah, it's quite good amount, no? Right. And we will be risking around 1,070 pounds by that, Once we pass the rank, then we will be getting back that amount. That is not a big issue also. And if we can manage the account, the trading account, then that's good. Because the profit is also if 90%, 80%, we'll be getting 90% from that. That is quite good now, from both accounts. Yeah, it's quite good amount. If we get yeah. We should do it. Cancel spot this week. Yeah, the boot you have to do it. Yeah, the boot also you have to do it. The boot I think the boot will take a little bit time, no? Because there will be some uh, coding, decoding, everything about, I don't know about those computer language, but yeah, the boot is made in such a way that it's not very well. Then we will try to create a demo account first. After that, if we found some problem, then we can try to create a real account. Yeah. Yeah. How's everything else going? Huh? How's everything else? Yeah, fine. Everything else is fine. That's good. I think you should open your trading account from FTMO and just pay for you. You can start trading. I'm waiting for the market to open. You can start trading tomorrow, something like that. FTMO, I'm not that interested in managing small account, like $500, $1,000, those account. I'm very interested in those big account, FTMO, something like that. FTMO account, they are quite good enough. And if it is your account, then the amount, if it's about $5,000 account, that is quite manageable enough. That is quite interesting. If it is about $5,000 account. I have a question. Do you manage every account like individually? You go in and make the trades? Yeah. Actually, last time I told you, then I plan to do a copy trading, this business. Once I started this copy trading business, so I won't to manage every single account, I just manage one or two accounts, the only thing we need is the client, the client. If you are really interested, I think you can start doing business together also from as a temple, no problem. You can be a partner. Oh yeah. Yeah. Totally. But if we do Tmall, we get like two FTMO. Yeah. In the beginning, I think it is good that we do one FTMO. Then I think let me, uh, right now, what I plan is that I will pay some amount to those YouTubers to increase my what is it to grow the size of my subscriber in YouTube channel. Then after doing that, and I begin I thought of doing live trading. Microphone should be there, and live trading should be there. And after through that live trading, many people, especially even in my location, they will question what the hell is this? What is doing? How is making the money? Then they will request that, and they will think that I want to invest instead of it. And I expect that they will say, yeah, there are many people who already say also. Then I told them that my copy trading account is not interesting. So after few weeks of months, I think it is ready, and after registration you can copy. Then even in my locality, I think we get if we use properly, we get around 1,000 copies. Within this 1 or 2 months. Yeah, because the only thing that we need is that one. I think the best way is that. Well, with FTMO, let's back up to that one because. Yeah. Does it need certain balance? Certain. You just pay the $1,000 fee, but then how much are you trading against? I mean, if we just say that fee, which is refundable once we pass it, then yeah, that's all. The refundable fees. FTMO they have 2 lakhs account. That is the highest for them, no. And if not FTMO, I use last time I used Skrill. So actually, if we are not interested in FTMO, there are many other like connected program. This one also is interesting, but I have never used because I used to pay through Skrill, Skrill. While Pakistan, Skrill. Have you heard of that? Skrill. And if we want a huge, bigger account, then we can try this one, Sanduk Trader program. And they have offer a $4 account, the size. This one is a good amount, $4 account. Then the currency is 10% profit. And another one is, this one is 4 lakh account, 10% profit, and 5% face to target. The most challenging and difficult one is to pass the phase one. But they have given us 35 days, which in FTMO is only around, yeah, if on FTMO they have given 30 days. But here, in this case, they have given 35 days. And the difference between FTMO and this one is that FTMO, the leverage is 1 is to 100. But here in Sanduk Trader program, the leverage is 1 is to 2,000, 200. And this one, the refundable fees, the fees is approximately around 189. Yeah, I think you could see 189. And if we are supposed to buy this one, the option which is not available for, they are asking this one. What is that? Yeah, the payment option. The payment option is credit card or something like American card, something like that. This one, the credit or Visa or American Express or something like that they are asking, which I don't have. So I I could not buy, even though I want to buy this account, I could not get that because I don't have this, to do transaction like American Express, Discover, something like that. And if I have Bitcoin, then Bitcoin we can do it easily, no problem, no issues with that. This 4,500 every day you are you know, this the reason I like about this funded trader program is that the scaling program is really good. Suppose we have made profit for 4 months consecutively, then they will increase our account size by 25%. And the limit for this, if we increase one is, it is up to 1 million. We can share our steps, and if we are doing good, then we can even 1 million account we can do. 1 million account we will be managing the account. That is quite good. And I'll show you just this one. One more thing. Mm, this is the leaderboard. The leaderboard, I'll show you. This is the leaderboard. And those who are uh, joining FTMO Challenge, and those who have already passed, and those who have got the rare account, see this one is 2000 fill up series rare account. And the first person that told me was Steven. He is from US, and he made a profit of 62% within 1 month. Then now his account, his profit is 1,24,000. Yeah, 1 lakh. Yeah, this one. The profit is 1 lakh. Equity, yeah, the profit is 1,24,000. So the amount, this one. Your name, once you do properly, your name will be displayed at the top. It's interesting. It's quite reasonable amount also. Actually, they are just like us. They are not that very good at trading and all. They are just like us. They are just normal person. You know, they are like us only. They are just like us. They are not extraordinary person. They are like us. They are same. FTMO, or what is it? The Fund Trader Program Challenge. Whichever you think will be good. I think you can start next year now. Yeah, it's very good now. Because next week the market will be really interesting. Because the money started, the market will be seen as bullish, or whether, but I don't expect the market will go such a very bullish right now, because the recession is about to come, something like that. There is pain in the market, so I don't expect the market will go very high right now. And we have a good buying opportunity, even in gold, even in Bitcoin, even in Ethereum, even in Euro USD, even in USD. Yeah. Last time the market went up because of that. Actually, this move, you may see a very big candle from here. This one, almost 10 $3 move. This one, this candle, this single candle. This is because of non-farm payroll, non-farm payroll news. Just look up there. Come back and move from there again. It's because of non-farm payroll. The US could not get a good employment number last month, the data. So US dollar was taking a hit, so the gold went up. But it will come down again. It's just a correction. The downtrend is not anything. We have a good selling opportunity and good buying opportunity. If you try one, maybe it's not. And yeah, I think we should do in practical. How, if I say I can trade, but if I don't go in practical, that is, not reasonable, right? And it will give me a chance also. Yeah, actually we can do business together also. Like all the registration could be done from here, no problem. We can be a business partner also, no problem. We can do it together. Because in India there is not much restriction regarding forex trading, so we could explore tips regarding this. Because no much restriction in trading. dollar. So we could use those capitals. You could use around $10,000 account in your name, and we could use another those things as a like like copy trading account. Copy trading account we can open any number. 10,000, 20,000, 5,000 account, $2,000 account, and the clients the clients that we could expect is not US client. Okay, the clients we could expect is from Asia and non-US clients. Yeah, because US has a very restriction, something like that. Like the blue card I use here cannot be used by you, because you are US citizen, something like that. Okay. So the clients that we can expect is from, yeah, all over India. Yeah, we can expect, because India is the second highest population. And if we do it properly, then we can change our policy from there. Very easy. That is the reason why I don't give up. Also, my dream is to make technology. Yeah. So I want to make a website where we have our own custom trading desk. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Custom trading product. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very cool. That will take a long time. Yeah. For my dream also, it will take 1 or 2, 3 years. But once we succeed, nobody. Once we succeed in this year, then you are settled. Right? No need to work. The boot will work for us. In this way. When you are creating, the boot will do the trading. When you are awake, you do the trading. That's all. Generally, technology is very advanced nowadays. So I think we need to use proper technology, knowledge, and be part. Yeah. I'm excited. Actually, the reason why I want to start copy trading is, now, right now I'm sort of capital, so I don't start yet. Why I want to really start it is because in my players, in my pool, many people are facing job desk crisis right now, because uh, the government the government banned, cultivation of coffee, opium. Right, everything, opium. Yeah, government make a strict regulation that those who cultivate opium, then they should not do it from this year anymore. So when I think of it, coffee cultivator will be around 1,000, 2,000 plus, 2,000 households. So for them, they don't have any other option to start doing a business or any other thing. They don't have any other option, but they have money, not much, but 1,000, 2,000 years old they have, which they are willing to invest if we give a proper platform. Then around, suppose we could select around 3,000, 2,000 investors who are investing 2,000 or $1,000 account. Then, from copy trading alone, then we will set our commission like 50% commission. Then we can do it. Suppose in $1,000 account, if we generate 30%, $300 in $400 in 1 month or so, then we'll be getting $200 from 2,000 clients. 2,000 clients, 200, if you multiply, it becomes $2,000, in 1 month. That is quite a good amount. You have to do a proper calculation, analysis, and managing small account, it won't help us. That business that I am doing, that will function properly. That will, for that I think we need around uh, 10,000 starting capital. At least we need around 10,000, 10,000 to $15,000 account, 20,000 to $15,000, to start that business properly, to run it smoothly. So I think, yeah, once once we can fund around, when we establish our own capital from around up to 15,000, $20,000. So I think, yeah, I think we do good. I'll hire some of my juniors who can do this field to work for us also. Then we can hire some of the clients, not the clients, some of that is quite good for them also because in Indian rupee is 7,000 years, 6,000, 6,000 rupees, that is quite reasonable amount. Then we can employ them, they will serve clients for us, then we will just give some few bucks to YouTubers who will be promoting our channels and who will be promoting our ideas, everything you know, those things. And the transaction, suppose we run it, we are in a partnership. So the transaction is not to worry because nowadays there are many wild transaction is possible. So it's like you open one of your wild account from Skrill and I have a Skrill account, then we can send our money to what is that? Email account. That is quite easy. Nowadays the world is very small. And yeah, it's very interesting. And later on, if we could work together, then through you also, to your friends, families, relatives, close relatives, we can even manage a large amount of them. Like one large real money account and later on. But the starting, let's start from SPMO and after that do SPMO profit. Let's start our business. You know, can you imagine that how much is the profit that we make? Huge. Even in locality also, I think I will be able to get at least more than 50,000, 50,000 investors, small account, no problem, 50,000 investors. Then within 1 year, approximately 10,000 investors in India. Then we can even get 50% from them. If the investors are huge, then we can reduce our commission also, no problem. Around 30%, 40, 35%, 25%, no problem, no issues there. You know, from US, from US we can operate here. You know, from US.
Well, there are several options in the U.S. I'm thinking through ideas that we can do over here that will sell very well, and you can get a lot of U.S. customers too.
Yeah.
Product.
Yeah, yeah, we can get it. Well, we can introduce it. We can use it also. Then if we do proper business, so a time will come that even though I may not be, you know, I may be in India, I will have a chance to visit you also in person, you know, like taking a visa for like tour, something like that, staying for 1 2 weeks. We could spend good time together and we could talk further about increasing our business. The world is so small. The world is small and it's not good that we sit in one location and just do household work, everything, daily routine work, 9 to 9 to uh, 9 to 10 p.m., 9 to 5 p.m. job, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. job. This is boring. Very. We should think out about. Instead of working for someone else, we should work for our own. That is my philosophy. Our own business, our own, you know, things, doing business, our own things. Yeah, it could be beautiful. And you can completely aspect of you regarding those things.
All right. Sounds good.
Right now, I'm doing trading, and it has been broadcasted live on YouTube. So yeah, it has been broadcasted as live on YouTube, and I'm doing trading. So this is the reason many customers are already asking me whether it's for using account management or using copy trading or something like that. They are inquiring regarding how
Hello,
I'm
coming soon.
doing.
Coming very soon.
Yeah,
Stay tuned for details. Ask for their, yeah, it's coming.
yeah. I used to tell them like that. I used to tell them, okay, if you are really interested, you can invest with us, and if you want to learn, you can learn also. I think you may be good at making website, right?
Decent. I can make a website.
Mm-hmm. sessions and complete all the formalities. And I think 1,000 bucks is not a big amount also. Then you can start maybe from that also, no problem. Right now I'm just managing those small STM of 25,000 account. That is not a big amount also. 25,000 from that 25,000, how much profit, to the staff, capital loss. If it is 2 lakhs account, then I think it's quite significant. Because in 2 lakhs we can lose at least up to 5%. 5% of 2 lakhs means 10,000 $10,000 in participable money. That is quite significant amount.
Okay. Cool.
All we think about that I just get officially this unit. For US client, I think we should make account management, the account management for US client.
Um,
We'll open their
So,
saving account, we'll let them
I
put
think-
any amount, so we'll just get the past water bill that is there, and we'll do account management for them, and we'll handle those the money that they are going to, something like that, those things. Then I'll do the account management for you. You can take it.
I'd rather just take their money.
Sorry?
I'd rather just take their money.
Yeah, I
And
mean,
we can figure out the best way.
yeah,
Like, I'd rather take the money and put it in our own accounts, but we can figure it out.
yeah, that is also quite good. We can give them a percentage or something like that. Or if we need to sanction the big, little bigger account, then we do not need to take any other, account also. Like 20,000 account, 20,000 US dollar account. That will suffice because $20,000 account, if it is real account, I can say that mm, 1 month profit would be not less than 20,000. And suppose 1 month trading 20,000, now this is September, 20,000. Suppose you will end up 20,000 account, let's say, in 12 months. 20,000 account in 1 month, I'm confident that I'll be able to generate at least up to $20,000 account, 20,000 profit. Then the next one, without taking out our capital, we will increase to 40,000 US dollar account. From 40,000 to, another next one, 40,000, Within this year, we have 4 months there. Within 4 months, from 20,000 to, I think I'll be able to generate 1 lakh US dollar account. Yeah, that's one. Confident, big confident. That also with not much taking daily trading, because I trade all the sessions, Asian session, Europe session, London session, US session. I trade all the 4 sessions, that's why I can say that. If I'm deciding in US, I'll be able to trade only in US session like something like that. No? So I won't be able to trade that. But because we are keeping money in India, we have a good trading session, all the session we can access. Even the US session also, there is a night session also, you can access 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. you can set aside. That is the biggest and quite volatile market. Then the rest from Asian session to London session to New York session, those are very because Asian countries has never heard of trading time on derivatives. That's why many traders came to US, from US, they visit Dubai, they will be staying in Dubai, something like that, because they have a good trading session hours. That's why. Once you are sleeping, then Asian session may already start, something like that. In US, when it's good time, Asian session and London session will start, and they will do trading. Then, if you are residing in US, we use those two sessions, we cannot wake the whole night and wait for and do the trading that hour. So, in Asia, it's quite good. What do you think? The business plan that I have, once it succeeds, within 2-3 years, If turnover will be more than in Indian rupees it will be more than 1 crore. Within 5 to 10 years down the line, I think we could be uh, we could generate more than a billion because we need to do the rare work. This is we need to do rare work. Yeah, we need to build the skills. Actually, I'm planning to go to other states also once we start those copy trading accounts. Taking different steps, looking for the clients, investors, investors.
And is it legal there?
Sorry,
Is copy trading legal? Does anybody care about that?
nobody care about it. Because
Okay. Don't do it.
because in US they may have restrictions, but in India and South Asian countries they don't have restrictions. Because it is their own money, they just open their trading account and they just copy you out. The only thing we have to do is that we let them open their trading account. Okay, invest any amount, and you will just copy us. That's all. We don't have any uh, legality also, something like that. Because it is on their will they are copying us. They are copying us that, you know. But in the beginning, as we reach more clients, then we should look for how to increase our clients, in the beginning. Once we increase around up to 1,000, 2,000 clients, then we don't have to work anymore. The client is there, their friends, family close relatives that we should do this and that, open trading account, copy this guy, he's making this much profit, 1 month, something like that. Then usually this is the way, this is my plan. And through YouTube channel also, I contact those YouTubers. Right now I have contacted 2 YouTubers, those who are having around 1,40,000 subscribers. I contacted them to talk with them if they are charging money in order to advertise, you know, channel, then no problem also. And if there is any new candidate, any YouTuber who wants to get their YouTube account, then they're also planning to purchase their account, 50,000 subscribers, something like that. We are not trying to earn from YouTube, just to increase our viewers, to increase our, clients, something like that. That is my aim. I am not that just increasing the views and increasing taking money from people. That is not my aim. And it is just new one. We'll use the suggestion.
Yeah, well, I would say it's important that it's important to have a good public image.
Yeah.
Especially.
Yeah.
There's a lot of, I feel like over a year it increases people's trust a lot in the company. You have a good YouTube, you have a good like social media, a good website. Yeah, companies that don't have a website or don't have any kind of social media stuff,
Yeah.
people feel like you're sketchy and they don't buy it.
Mm-hmm.
What percentage do you think we should take for those copy trading accounts? Like you were saying, like 50%.
In the beginning, since our customer will be small, we can take up to 50%. 50% is the highest, we can take in commission. And after that, we can once the number increase to around 5,000, then 2,000, 3,000, then we can charge 30%, no problem.
Okay, that's still pretty high. Yeah.
Yeah. In the beginning, 50% is quite reasonable. And after that, if the number of clients increases, then we can reduce it. No problem. That is our, to take more clients, we can reduce it to, because in the beginning, making it smaller and later on increasing it will get a bad name. But in the beginning, if the commission is high and later on if we reduce it, then the impression will be, oh, that's good.
Well, do you know
open one office, one good office where some of our employees will be working, opening trading account for the clients, handling them, because with the huge trading and those things are, will not be able to handle it. So we will employ three students, three employees, like two or three employees in the beginning, and we will increase it, increase it, increase to require later on. So this is no problem. It will be very busy every time. We will be operating from there to Zoom, to Zoom conference, YouTube video calling, and especially the US
I'll
clients.
be a part of that. I would love to do that.
Especially if we target the US clients, so we will handle their trading account, or we will take the money and invest it in one of the trading account. Like suppose you own one trading account, so those really CPM, those want to invest, we can invest in your trading account in a lump sum, like $1 account, and those want to invest 10,000, they will invest in your trading account, and we'll update them. We'll create a WhatsApp group, then we'll update them. Okay, today profit is this much, today profit is this much. Okay, once the money is over, and you can take out the money from there, something like that. It's not that easy one. There are many ways. Like as I have already told you, my plan. Like as I have already told you, this one I have already sent you also. This one is written in local dialect. Uh, I just I because right now I don't have any partner, so I just name it as KK Training Academy and Consultancy Farm. Name name doesn't matter because you can change later on because it is not yet registered. No, you can change it later on, no problem. And because the focus is on the local areas right now, so we need to use some local language, in the name. Like I have already written the session and timing, everything. Then I have already said the broker, what are the broker that we can use, something like that. XNet. In XNet also they provide copy trading, and FBS just forex, you know. Then here what I say is that this one is very important. What this KK trading farm, consultancy farm is going to do in the future, like account handling and management, service. Here, are you with me? Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
Account,
still watching.
account handling and management. Here, what I wrote in the first page is personal trading account management. This one. And the next one is copy trading. Personal trading account management in itself is a very huge business. We can manage account size for bigger investors like $1 lakh account, $50,000 account, $20,000 account. We can manage that one. And the second one is copy trading. Copy trading, yeah, copy trading is different to this. And here, full account management for families and close relatives. There will be in the name of one person. Then they will pool their money together in that particular account. Then will manage for them. Full account management service for interested individual investors, like this one. Suppose if someone is interested in investing, they are not interested in copy trading, they can invest 1,000 bucks, USD bucks here, and another person 2,000, another person 50,000, another person 10,000, something like that. Their account will be managed together in one of their trading account. Those investors will invest them in one of the trading accounts. So the profit split will be based on the amount of contribution that they are doing. Trading account management for any society or organization or group. This one trading account management. There may be some group, individual group who want their money to be invested. Funded trader program to them. This one is the FPMO to them, so funded trader program to them. Those any individual willing to interested in these services, you can also do for them also. And the second part is teaching. I just put teaching and education. Here we teach them also this one, WhatsApp group, and giving live signals. And setting up server groups in every village, setting up fundraising platform for students, poor for financial, the weak background, something like, these are some of the key, actually some of the key details that I am thinking of it right now. Because how do you think? Do you think that you will succeed this thing? Do you believe
I
that
100% think it will succeed. So okay. Actually, you know what? Send me this document. I'll put it in the website for us, okay?
yeah, I will send you, but it is written in a local dialect. But you can see some of the things that is written in English also, no problem. The outline you can see, no problem. I can send you.
You gotta make it.
Last time I think I have already sent you.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I think I have already sent you this one. Yeah,
You sent me your tree.
no,
I
no,
don't think I remember seeing that.
this one, this. Yeah, I have already tested it. This I have sent you. This one.
Oh, I see it. I got it.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. So I'll get together. I'll put some kind of like website outline for us, and we can talk about. Like I'll put something together, and then we can talk about what we want to do on a website.
Yeah,
So we
yeah.
line it together. Then
And yeah, and regarding that SPMO, just think about it again.
absolutely.
I think
So like,
open any account and you just purchase those two lots account. Let's start it. What do you think?
I agree.
Let's start
I
it.
agree.
Let's do it. Because once we start together, then the credibility of the people here will also be high, SBTS, it has international presence also, something like that.
Yeah.
Because it is
Yeah.
mind game, Derek. This is really a mind game. Mind
Maybe
game.
like yeah, like in terms of like just like presenting ourselves like we get people to trust us
Yeah.
and like understand like we're gonna have the answer to their problems. That's what I think.
Because right now, many people in my class, they are looking for a test invest, That's that's the budget I want to see.
Afraid to invest.
They are they are really interested in investing on this plan. But
Oh, they're
since
right.
no one is
Okay. But then
creating,
the other one too.
yeah, no one is creating a good platform for them, they are not entering, then we can fill the void, the gap. I because actually family, as I have already lost around more than 60,000 US dollar in this project within 2 months, 2 years. So for me to recover and to gain back those it takes time. That's why I cannot start any business on my own.
Losing sometimes is part of what we have to do. I understand we have to risk.
Yeah.
So that's no problem. That's no problem.
Yeah, from losing those 60,000 US dollars in 2 months, in 2 years, actually from that I have planned a lot. Where nobody would be able to learn. I have planned a lot those 2 years, There are those 2 years planning. I want to practical with some good friends,
That's cool. Well, Eka, that's good catching up with you.
Okay.
I'll make sure I get on that stuff this week because this week is a little bit less busy. So let's see what I can cram in. Let's see what I can get done for us.
FPMO, think about FPMO. Just
Okay.
register it and that's it. Once you register it, send me the details, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Eka. Yeah, well, I hope you have a nice day.
Okay.
hello. Bitcoin market hin tua hi chi in line hi chi area hi khal da ka hi break da ka hi chung nang chi thi lo di hi chi hian khal ngai ding anoi da nga hi chi zone hi kan ji na zone hi chi hi good buying zone hi lai la dong a hong khai la buy thei good buying zone tua hi le hi chi chen na sung ka hi chi ma hin chung nga hi chen break phal le wang chun retest ha chu buy bowling target profit chu hi chi 20,385 and long term holding ball no more so ta koi thei tai bitcoin in November December la hi 80,000 $1 dal hi chi a chu to hi bearish market an yom yang le bull nan bol le chu lang pe chu mi na ka chu hap ta khat hapani ka ai ging thei kai le damma bol jing lai hi ai wanga chu damma bol wang wa hat zo we ta lo hin hoi tai ba na le chu market chu ang kal ta phala chun bullish market bullish run an bol phal le hulang pe ang ging di chu boy pon chi bitcoin a hin ale hap takit na gold market chana team dem analysis ka bol lo hen hichi area he hichi area he good buying zone hin gola dinga cha to hi movement bolan he achung lang he gachi to thein lai he gachi to ding hichi 1730 la dong hi hilai la dong hi ang pha ha le chan hilang la wa ko nai selling in board hai na chilai la dong hai selling in board hai to hi minor resistant area hai hichi 1720 la dong hi nei hichi hi area hai hichi area hai nakhal da ka ai ma hai hichi area hai ka sai nai hichi area hai 17 19 22 hichi area hai an nakhal da ka ai ma hai chung la chi the lo de noi na nga chui le hichi area hai tan amala zone khalam chui le 1700 hichi area hai poi mo hai choi ale ba hoi ta ki mial chia trading bola le wang chon aki ka la dong ai trading bol na no de hichi lai nga de lai ang kha lai ko nai rejection chung la ko na rejection ken dai mo bearish ken dai mo le lai ko nang zo the target profit 701 next target chile 1689 tian hal ke nala noi lang pya chi the tian hal ke nala next level cho 1680 hong heading chi chuan hal ke nala next level cho noi lang ai tam tak chi de ai pi chule market that